What's going on, everybody? This is Josh with Everett Chevrolet. A few days ago, we made a video with an announcement from GM about the new adapter that they have made for Tesla Superchargers, level 3 Superchargers, and all of their EV vehicles. So this is the adapter. We got one in. One of the guys at our dealership owns one of these vehicles, and so he purchased the adapter through his app. Really easy to do. It came in within a couple of days. We also talked to a customer. They also ordered theirs the first day it was available, and it came in a couple of days as well. Super cool. You got your GM side here and your Tesla side here. So we just wanted to demonstrate this for you real fast, show you how easy it is to hook this up. All right, so let's test it out. I'm gonna first take the Tesla plug and I'm gonna plug it in to the Tesla side of the adapter. Then I'm gonna open up my GM port. I'm gonna pull this piece, and then I'm gonna plug it into the GM side. Hear it click. You'll see the light up to show that it is charging. Open up your phone, your MyBrand app, select the charger you're at, and then get on with it. So it's pretty simple. If you own a GM EV, we encourage you to go in your app today, download it, get your adapter. It opens up 17,000 more chargers, level 3 Tesla Superchargers for you throughout the country. So yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Or if you're interested in purchasing one of our electric vehicles, we'd love to see you at our dealership. Shop our selection online anytime at everettchevy.com. We'll see you soon.